Hello learners, welcome back to our channel. My name is Ishan Kisarwani and I will be showing you today how to find the nth term of the series. And you can see that we have a series in which there are few terms and we have to find the nth term of the series. So if friends, if you see that if we are going to traverse the series and we'll find the nth term using the for loop. So if we are using the for loop, you can see that if we traverse the for loop from n1 to n, then what will happen that you can see that the first index, if our for loop variable I is 1, then at I we can see that there is a value of 1, and at 2 we can see that value there is 3, and if the value of I is incremented to 3, then the value we are getting is 6. Similarly, if the value of I in the for loop is incremented to 4, then we are getting as 10, and similarly so on. So what is happening here, guys? At first index we are seeing that when the value of I is 1, then we are getting the answer as 1, and if the value of I is incremented and it becomes 2, then we are getting the answer as 3. That is, it means that we are getting the value of I plus the last answer that we have got. So this is the whole series, and if you consider as the index 3, then what is happening here? 3 plus 3 is giving us this result as 6, and at index 4 we are getting answer as 10 because 4 plus 6 is 10. So let's start coding and see how can we easily solve this program. So first of all, I will be including the header file hash include stdio.h, as it contains some predefined functions such as printf and scanf. Now I will be defining a main method, and in the main method I want the user to enter to enter the variable, or to enter a number, so that we can find the nth term of the series. So simply I will be requiring some variables. So I will be requiring an integer variable and to take the input from the user, and another variable I, because I am going to use the for loop. So now I will ask the user to enter the number. With the help of the printf statement I will do this. So I will say that I will write that enter the nth term. Now I will just take the input with the help of the scanf function. The scanf percentage d is used to take the input in the form of integer, so comma n, so address of n. So what will it do? It will store the value entered by the user in the variable n. So now what I want to do is I want to traverse through the loop until I reach the variable at the nth location. So I will be simply using a for loop for I is equals to 1 and I is less than equals to n and I plus plus. This will increment the loop. And now what I will want to do is I just want to add the previous result into our index. So let's first initialize the index as so suppose we have a variable named sum, and we are going to initialize as with the value 1. So what I will do is just I will add the value in the sum variable, the value of I. So this will give me the correct output. So now let's print the result. Sorry, printf, the nth term of the series is percentage d, and here I will write our answer, that is sum variable. Now I will just compile the program and run it. So let's first save the program as nth term dot c. So I'm getting some error, and let's check. Oh, I have forgotten to write semicolon here. So it is asking me to enter the nth term. So let's say it's fifth term. So I'm getting 15. So you can see that the fifth term of the series is 15. So let's check with another value of the n. Say it is 7. You can see that it is giving me 28. And if we check that the next term of the series is will be 28 only. So you have seen that how simply we can calculate and find the nth term of the series. So please subscribe to our channel for more such programming videos. Thank you.